So definitely not compared to a Ridgeline. So first of all, I need to qualify all of these statements, but let me say a Ridgeline is not even in the running here. An R1T is like a Ridgeline in terms of its construction style, its unitary construction. The way I phrased it in the script was Rivian basically took the idea and the traditional shape of a pickup truck and then used modern construction methods and the best of everything, I should say. Best suspension design, best chassis construction, best practices of the industry to create a phenomenal consumer product that has huge amount of storage, great construction. It's really strong. It does everything well, and I really love it.